Let's say, for example, we would like to move files from one remote FTP folder to another. We can easily automate this process by using FTP move files action. Just drag and drop it, select connection, or create new connection. Already created connection. Now we need to select remote folder, source, and our target folder will be target. And we also need to provide a mask, and we can just run it, and the job is done. Let's check if the folders are, the files actually moved. Connect. So this folder is empty, and all our files are now in target folder. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum and ask them there. And we will do our best to help you as usual. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.